Guys, your friend Sonak is back with another informative video. Sometimes what happens, friends, people specifically who are like too much overweight and they are trying to figure out that how we should start, they always keep getting confused, like, okay, I will start with this plan, I will start with that plan, or sometimes they cannot figure out, okay, I will start from Monday, the first day of the week, I will start from there. Then the Monday will come and slowly, oh, okay, I will start next week, this time I am busy. So friends, I understand it's not easy to start your fitness journey or whatever you want to do, because you are already in your comfort zone, the way you are eating, the way of your lifestyle and everything. So whenever you start a new thing or you want to add it into your routine, it is difficult, friend, no doubt about that. It is difficult because changing your body or forcing your body to do something else from which you are used to, obviously friends, your body will prevent you from doing that. But the thing is that, friends, because you have put your body into too much comfort zone, that's why your body doesn't want to get out of its comfort zone and start a new program or a new activity that you are trying to do for your own benefit, for improving your health. So without taking much of a time, friends, I would just say you don't think too much, just start. First thing I would say, you start with walking. Yes friends, walking is one of the best activity you can do, because it is also like doesn't put too much pressure on your joints, because people who are generally overweight, they should not do too extra like from the start, because I have seen some of the people who they start to follow a restrictive diet plan and they start going to gym and everything, and then friends, what happened after a month, they break down, they because your body is unable to take it, because you are putting too much changes, you are changing your diet, you are changing your workout routine, all of a sudden if you do that, your body won't be able to take that, friends. So how we should do, we should give our body at least 5 to 6 months time to adjust, because fat loss and fitness is not a destination, friends, it's a lifestyle, because we have to include all these activities to our lifestyle and make it as a part of it. So we should not force ourselves too much into this, I will do workout, I will do diet. No, first thing you do is just walk. Why I am saying, friends, because if you start walking for an hour a day, you will see results, you will start losing weight. Because what happens right now, currently, whatever activity you do, don't change everything altogether, it will ruin your program, because your body won't be able to take. So what we should do first, don't change your eating habit, nothing. Yes, I am saying this, don't change anything at first, just you add 1 hour of walk. You can walk throughout the day, like 15 minutes in the morning, 15 minutes in the afternoon, or 15 minutes after eat your dinner and all. That's up to you, you have to find the time, because friends, if we want to achieve something, we have to sacrifice our time for that. This is the life's rule, you have to work for that. So that's why I'm saying, try to add 1 hour of physical activity, and which is best is walking. It's not too much on your joints also. Now, how walking will show an impact, how walking will impact your health. It is therapeutically proven, friends, that walking is most like a natural thing for a human body to do. That's movement. The more you move, your body gets free. So it's the most natural exercise you can do for your body. And now I'm talking about how it affects. Now suppose, as an example, right now the people, specifically it is for the overweight people I'm saying. Now suppose you eat around 4000 calories, because you are not measuring it and you are putting on a lot of weight, that means you are eating a lot. So this 1 hour of walk activity will burn some energy from your daily activity, whatever you are doing. So if you start burning energy and estimately I think so walking for 1 hour burns around 300 to 350 calories and up to 400 depending on how heavy you are, because the more heavier you are, it is more difficult for your body to move, so it will need more energy. So I'm saying 300 to 400 calories, so let's take it 300 calories. So every day if you walk for 1 hour, you're burning 300 calories, and in a week you're burning 2100 calories, and your other things still remain the same. This is an extra activity that you have included in your routine, and see, you're burning 2100 calories. Same repeat the next week, you're burning 4200 calories. Now what's happening, friend? That extra energy that you are burning while keeping your activities all same, you will lose weight because your body will start burning fat, because you are creating a deficit of energy from that walk. And friends, it has been shown in science that 3500 calories burns 1 pound of fat, means around 500 grams of fat from your body. So friends, like this you will slowly put off fat and you will feel nice. And one more thing, friends, walking will not increase your hunger and all, because if you do weight training or start running right at the start, your body won't be able to take too much. You will feel more hungrier and you will eat more. So that's why I'm saying start walking, start with this activity, and slowly and steadily you will see how your weight will put off in a systematic way. And after 1 month you have to slightly change your routine. So this is the first step I'm saying, friends. For 1 month you do this, don't change anything, slowly and steadily will progress. So this is specifically meant for the peoples who are confused that from where I should start. Should I start doing Zumba, or should I start dance? Should I do like any kind of activity? If you want to do, you can do that also, friend. But I am saying the most basic you should do is walk. Do something, friends. If you start doing something, something will happen. You will feel better. Your body will start changing. So it's a marathon, friends. We don't have to rush. Okay, no, I want to lose weight right now, I will do this and that. No, take your time, give yourself some time. Okay, then on the next video I will talk about the next step. Hope you like this video, friends. If you like, please subscribe and stay connected. I will keep bringing you these tips and other informations which will help you to make your fat loss journey or fitness journey, whatever you want to do, easier. Okay friends, I'll meet you with another video.